Welcome everybody. In today's video, we'll look at the right angle triangle and the lengths of the three sides of the right angle triangle here. And just to remind all of you here, right angle triangle basically means that one of the angles of a triangle is 90 degrees. And in that case, we have the famous Pythagoras theorem, which link all the lengths ABC together by one single formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And in today's video, we'll look at the interesting way to find the length ABC of a right angle triangle. Essentially speaking, I want you to give me any examples of the lengths of a right angle triangle. Just to give you a famous example here, I believe 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared works, because of the fact that 9 plus 16 equals 25. So now, my question is that, do you know how to find such triple of number 3, 4, 5, so that you'll get the correct relation a squared plus b squared equals c squared? And that's the topic of today here. So the trick is that, now the step one is that you have to choose any number PQ so that P is bigger than Q here. Let me write it down here. P is bigger than Q, and then you just have to apply the formula here, and the formula is always working, and in that case you get the correct relation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's check how does it work out. So if you choose P to be 3, Q to be 1, what happens here? In that case, A becomes 2 times 3 times 1, because A is 2 times P times Q, and now A is 6 here. Now B becomes 3 square minus 1 square, which is 8. Now C becomes 3 square plus 1 square, which is 10. So please take a look here. Now you can check whether a square plus b square is equal to c square. So I believe you know how to check it. Now a is 6 and b is 8. In that case, we get that you get 36 plus 64, and in that case it's the same as 100. It is exactly the same as 10 square, which is c square here. And by this formula, essentially speaking, you're able to construct any number ABC so that it will satisfy a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The interesting fact is that I don't believe it is very clear how to construct such a pair, especially for big numbers. So let's try another example. So please check this example. If I choose P to be 20, Q to be 15, then A becomes 2 times P, which is 20, times 15, which is Q here. So now it becomes 600. And then B becomes what? B becomes 20 square minus 15 square. Is it 400 minus 225, which is 175 here? Then C becomes 20 square plus 15 square. It is 400 plus 225, which is 625. So now it's an exercise for you to check. Now we have the fact that A equals 600. B is 175 and C is 625. It's a quick exercise for you to check by calculator that we should be able to get the correct relation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so now that's basically the end of this exercise. That by using the formula I stated above, you should be able to generate any triples of numbers ABC so that it satisfies a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And this relation especially is useful in the right angle triangle because ABC are exactly the lengths of the right angle triangle that relates a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that's basically the end of this video. Thank you everybody.